Welcome to my channel, Daily Easy English. Before you keep scrolling, just give me a few seconds because this might be the easiest way for you to start thinking in English naturally. If you can understand what I'm saying right now, then you are already improving your English step by step. So relax, listen carefully, and try to repeat after me, because today you're going to speak a little more like a native speaker. Let's begin. Today feels like a fresh start, and as you slowly open your eyes, you can feel the quiet and peaceful energy around you. You take a deep breath, and for a moment, you just stay there, enjoying how calm everything feels. Then you gently stretch your body, letting yourself wake up naturally instead of rushing into the day. You walk toward the window and look outside, noticing the soft light and the clear sky. It's one of those simple moments that makes you think, this is going to be a good day. And you say it again, slowly and confidently. This is going to be a good day. As you move into the bathroom, you splash some cool water on your face, and it instantly helps you feel more awake and refreshed. While brushing your teeth, you look at yourself in the mirror, not with stress, but with a small, calm smile. You're not in a hurry, and that makes everything feel easier. For a second, you pause and tell yourself, I'm ready for whatever comes today. And you repeat it one more time. I'm ready for whatever comes today. When you walk into the kitchen, you start to notice that you're a little hungry, but it's a comfortable kind of hunger. You prepare something simple, maybe a cup of coffee and some bread, or eggs if you have more time. As you sit down and take your first bite, you slow down and actually enjoy the taste. It's not just about eating, it's about taking a moment for yourself. You nod slightly and say, this tastes really good. Then you say it again, a bit more naturally. This tastes really good. While you're eating, your mind starts to wander just a little, thinking about what lies ahead in your day. You don't feel overwhelmed because you know you can handle things one step at a time. Instead of worrying, you quietly tell yourself, I'm going to have a productive and positive day. And once again, you repeat it. I'm going to have a productive and positive day. After finishing breakfast, you get dressed and gather your things without rushing. You check your phone quickly, take your bag, and head toward the door. As you open it, you feel a small sense of excitement, like something good might happen today. You take a step outside and softly say, all right, let's go. And once more, let's go. Walking down the street, you begin to notice the little details around you, like people passing by, the sound of traffic, and the energy of the city waking up. Even though everything is moving, you keep your own pace, calm and steady. There's something nice about just being present in that moment. You take a breath and say to yourself, I really like this feeling. Then again, more naturally, I really like this feeling. As you continue walking, you run into someone who greets you with a friendly smile. They say, good morning, in a relaxed and natural way. You return the smile and reply, good morning. Then they ask you, how are you doing today? And without thinking too much, you answer smoothly, I'm doing well, thank you. And once more, tomorrow is another chance to do even better. If you were able to follow this story and understand most of it, then you are already making real progress in your English. And if you take the time to repeat these sentences out loud, your speaking skills will improve faster than you think. So come back tomorrow, keep practicing, and keep building your confidence step by step. This is Daily Easy English, and I'll see you in the next lesson.